What is an AI agent? An AI agent is a virtual assistant powered by a large language model, LLM, created to assist users with specific tasks such as summarizing and translating text, retrieving information from data sources, or generating ITSM tickets. The Agentic Platform by Konverso enables users to interact with both pre-built and custom AI agents through chat. This tutorial will show you how to chat with an AI agent. To chat with an agent, you can either type @ and select an agent from the list to mention them. Or you can click Select an Agent and select the agent you want to chat with. You can, for example, chat with Konverso Help. This agent will answer any questions you have regarding Konverso's agentic platform. Start by greeting the agent or simply ask your questions directly. Then click Send to submit your message or press Enter on your keyboard. Please be patient while you wait for the agent to respond. Now let's ask for some help. For example, you could ask how to create your own agent. When writing your message, you can press Shift plus Enter to start a new line. Available chat shortcuts are displayed at the bottom of the chat box. The agent's response time may vary depending on your question and the tasks currently being processed. For each response, you can view the agent's reasoning process by clicking the View Thoughts tooltip. This will open a panel on the right displaying the agent's detailed thoughts. You can close the panel by clicking the Close button in the top right corner. Similarly, when the agent uses a data source or tool, you can click the designated tooltip to open a side panel with more details. In this example, the agent searched its data source, and the panel displays the agent's query and search results. Next, let's look at the agent's response. In this example, the agent provided a step-by-step guide on how to create an agent on the Konverso platform. The agent also provides the sources it used to generate its answer. If needed, you can copy the agent's response in HTML format by clicking the Copy button. You can also provide feedback on the agent's response by marking it as useful, thumbs up, or not useful, thumbs down.